Hello mathematicians, hope in this video you can say I can solve systems of equations by graphing. Let's look at an example here. So we're given the system of equations of y equals x minus 4 and x plus 2y equals 16. And we're going to solve this graphically. So let's start with let's just graph y equals x minus 4. This is written in slope-intercept form, so it should be fairly easy to graph. So we're going to y equals x minus 4, so y-intercept to negative 4, so down 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's got a slope of 1, so it's up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. So our line should look something like this. Okay, so that's what the line of y equals x minus 4 looks like. We don't need to, but let's write this one in slope-intercept form, something we might be a little bit more comfortable with rather than graphing it in standard form. So we get 2y equals negative x plus 16. And now we just divide by 2 and divide this whole right side by 2 as well. So we'd end up with y equals negative 1 over 2 x plus 8. And now let's graph this. So negative y equals negative 1 over 2 x plus 8. Got a y-intercept of 8. And it's got a slope of negative 1/2. So we go down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, and we can see it intersects right there. So right here we can see that it intercepts right at this point right there. And that actually is going to be the solution to our system of equations here. So it is at the point, it has an x value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's got an x value of 8. It's got a y value of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8, 4 is the solution to this system of equations. So let's go ahead and check our answer right here. So if we were to plug 8 in for x and 4 in for y, we would get 4 equals 8 minus 4, which is 4 equals 4. So that's a good answer right there. And if we were to plug 8 in for the x value down here and 4 in for the y value down here, we would get 4 equals negative 1 over 2 times 8 plus 8. And that would give us, if we go ahead and simplify that, we get 4 equals negative 4 plus 8, which is a true statement. We get 4 equals 4. So there we go. That is the solution to this system of equations right here. So in order to solve a system of equations by graphing, all that we need to do is we need to graph both of the equations given and find where the 2 points intersect. And that x and y coordinate, where that point is the solution to that system of equations. So that is it for a video. Hope after watching this and getting in a little bit of practice, you can say, I can solve systems of equations by graphing.